Okay, so I have already selected an image. It's one that I took when I was on summer vacation in Portland, Oregon. And I thought it was really cool because there's a little bee right here. And yeah, and the colors are really neat. And I just really liked this image. And I thought it would be really neat for this assignment. So I already have the image open and I've already done some other stuff with the image, but I'll go ahead and show you that right now. So here's the image, and I thought it would be interesting to make it smaller, so I've already done that as well. And it's right here. And so this is just the same image, but smaller. This one's only 500 megapixels, or 500 pixels compared to a couple thousand on this one. And then, let's see, from this image, I decided to change the color palette of it, which I thought was really neat, and it actually turned out really cool. But that is right here. So I did this using the web palette, and I think it turned out really neat. You can definitely notice between the two images that, the web palette is definitely a lot rougher in color, and there's less, transition from one to the next, which is to be assumed, I believe, with a web palette because it does have less of the color. And then from the web palette picture, I actually did a layering thing. So I went ahead and made a flyer for it, which I think is kind of neat. So I did this, and I just labeled it what my trip was. And here I used the web palette picture. And then, so I was able to make layers with it and type this in and stuff. So I've done all that. And then I went ahead and posted them on my wiki. I had already named it Project 1 in here. And so here is my original image. And so I was the one who took it. So I'm the author. And then the CC license is just the same as you would find on Flickr. And then this is the smaller one. And this is the one using the web palette, which I still think is really cool. And then this is the flyer that I made using the web palette, and it's a digital flyer. Yeah, so I made these all different, I guess, and I think they turned out really cool. I really like this picture, and with the tools that we've learned from the previous videos that Professor has put up, I was able to make it smaller, change the coloring, was able to create layers to make something pretty neat. And I did it all by myself with former knowledge from Professor Bonilla. Thanks, and that's my video.